towhee in that tree calling, and the male, the opposite sex, towhee was way over in the woods. It was making a call, and they finally joined each other in that tree, and then all the birds around them started chirping like crazy. And now I got another couple over here. That kind of bird is there's some bird up in that tree. There's all kinds of birds. There's some birds I don't rarely see in these trees. Them wrens, they're like kids in school. They like fight, fight. They're trying to cause trouble. I can signify just about the maturity of the tree. See that noise over there? That's a towhee. I mean, not a towhee, but a wren on top of that prune tree right there. He just flew off of it. There's all kinds of birds. I like this. See that? Hear that bird going treat, treat. That's a towhee. And this bird, right, yeah, goes a towhee right there. That's a towhee I was talking about originally. It was in this tree doing that call, and I heard another towhee over here, and they joined in this tree. Yeah, that's a towhee. You'll see it fly off when I go under it. That's a female towhee. You hear? Okay. I'm almost directly under it. I'm directly under it now. Now, see her. There she goes. She's calling her mate back. He flew off. I think them wrens aggravated it. Don't even think about it, Gypsy. Now I hear a hawk. Birds better not be chirping too loud. A hawk come down and take care of a few of them. See, there they are together. There's a wren. So y'all can probably see it now on video. Shut up, wren. Them wrens are buttheads, man. Wren, quit acting like you're being woken up from a nap. The wren's actually singing. Hey, pretty bird. Ooh, there's one of them little birds. A rare. I've been trying to figure out what kind they are, and I see them. Check it out. You see it? Shut up, wren. Oh, don't it be fussing at me. I'll get Gypsy at you. You get him, won't you, Gypsy? Look, there's a dove way over on that line. The doves like, they're quiet and cool. They're quiet and subtle. They're like, what's all the commotion going on over there? Ugh. That's pretty neat, man. This is from the last brawl. About 20 birds got into a gang fight. I just kidding. Quit bitching.